Machine learning libraries and frameworks, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Keras, etc. There are several popular machine learning libraries and frameworks that are widely used in the industry, including Scikit-learn. It is a powerful machine learning library for Python that is built on top of NumPy and SciPy. It provides a wide range of supervised and unsupervised learning algorithms, as well as tools for model evaluation and selection. Scikit-learn is easy to use, well documented, and has an active community of contributors. TensorFlow. It is an open-source machine learning library developed by Google. It is primarily used for deep learning and neural networks, but can also be used for other types of machine learning. TensorFlow provides a flexible and powerful ecosystem for building and deploying machine learning models, including a wide range of pre-built models and tools for visualization and debugging. Keras. It is a high-level neural networks API, written in Python and capable of running on top of TensorFlow, CNTK, or Theano. It was developed with a focus on enabling fast experimentation. Being user-friendly, modular, and easy to extend, it is a great choice for researchers and beginners. PyTorch. It is an open-source machine learning library based on the Torch library. It is primarily used for deep learning and neural networks, but can also be used for other types of machine learning. PyTorch provides a dynamic computational graph, which allows for faster and more flexible model development, and is known for its ease of use and flexibility. R. It is a popular programming language for statistical computing and graphics. It has a wide range of libraries for machine learning such as Caret, Random Forest, E-𝐶71, etc. It also has a great visualization capabilities. RStudio is a popular IDE for R that provides a user-friendly interface for data analysis and machine learning. WEKA. It is a machine learning software suite that provides a collection of tools for data preprocessing, classification, regression, clustering, and feature selection. It is written in Java and has a graphical user interface, GUI, that makes it easy to use for beginners. RapidMiner. It is a data science platform that provides a wide range of tools for data preprocessing, machine learning, and visualization. It has a user-friendly interface and supports a wide range of data formats, making it a popular choice for data scientists and analysts. mlib. It is a machine learning library for Apache Spark, an open-source big data processing framework. It provides a wide range of tools for large-scale machine learning, including distributed linear algebra, feature extraction, and model evaluation. These libraries and frameworks provide a wide range of tools and algorithms that can be used to build and deploy machine learning models. They are widely used in industry and academia. It can help learners understand how to use these libraries, how to implement specific algorithms, and how to evaluate the models. It will help learners to understand how to choose the right algorithm for the problem at hand and how to optimize the performance of their models. Thank you.